Good afternoon, student. I hope all of you understood the chapter number 4, that is geometric construction. So today I am going to give you homework to solve the problem set of the construction chapter. So solve that all the questions from the problem set, and if you have any doubt, so let me know. So in next video I will explain you all those sums and I will clear your doubt. So today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 6 of the maths 2, and that chapter name is nothing but the trigonometry. In 9th standard also you study the trigonometry, so all of you know the concept of the trigonometry, what is which meaning of the trigonometry, but still again I am going to explain you, and little bit I am going to take the revision. In last year you study the concept of the trigonometry and the ratio of the trigonometry. The ratio of the trigonometry is nothing but what? Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So now this year we are going to learn those three ratio also and plus three additional ratio. I think so in 9th standard I told you, in 10th standard you are going to learn total 6 trigonometric ratio. So that next that 3 trigonometric ratio today I am going to explain you, and the formula related to all these 6 ratio. So first, the meaning of the trigonometry. What is the meaning of the trigonometry? The trigonometry is nothing but the one Greek word, and if the first 3 letter, that is tri is nothing but the 3. Gona means sides and the metron means the measures. So the trigonometry is nothing but what? The measurement of the 3 sides. So 3 sides is nothing but what? If 3 side is have to the triangle. So trigonometry is always related to the right angle triangle. So thus the meaning of trigonometry is nothing but, you can say that trigonometry is a branch of math which deals with measurement of sides and the angles of the right angle triangle. So again I am going to explain what is the meaning of trigonometry. Trigonometry deals with measurements of sides and angles of a right angle triangle. For example, suppose here there is the one right angle triangle whose name is suppose ABC. Here it is the 90-degree angle. So last year you study the 3 ratios, that is nothing but what? Sin theta, cos theta and the tan theta. So in trigonometry what things are there? One side, if here theta angle is here, so the side which is opposite to the 90-degree, it is called as the hypotenuse. Then the side opposite to the angle, see here it is the 90-degree angle and here are theta angle. The side opposite to the theta angle, it is called as the opposite side, and the side near to the theta angle, it is nothing but it is called as the adjacent side. These all things you study in the 9th standard, but still I am going to revise you. So here in 9th standard you study the formula of sin theta is always nothing but what? It is what? Opposite sides upon hypotenuse. So opposite sides means what? Opposite sides of angle theta. So theta angle is nothing but here angle C. So opposite sides of angle theta, that is angle C upon hypotenuse. It is the formula for cos theta. Formula is what? Adjacent upon hypo, that is nothing but what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And for the tan theta formula is nothing but opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta. So these 3 formulas you study in the last year. So now there are more, these 3 are nothing but a trigonometric ratio. So in trigonometry there are total 6 ratio. These 3 ratio you study in the 9th standard, and now we are going to study this 3 ratio plus more 3 ratio, and that 3 ratio are nothing but the cosec theta, after that sec theta, and the last one is nothing but the cot theta. So now these 3 ratios are related to previous 3 ratios. It means what? If you know this 3 ratio, then from this 3 ratio you can easily find out the formula related to this 3 ratio. So one by one I am going to explain you each formula, and your duty is that read all those formula, learn by heart all the formulas, because if you know those formulas, then this chapter is very easy for you all, because this full chapter is based on the trigonometric formulas. So here I wrote some formulae. So the important formulae which you study in the 9th standards, now I am going to tell you the one shortcut method how to keep in mind all these formulae. Once you know this all the three formulas, from these three formulas you can easily write down these three formulas. So like this you can keep in mind your all the six formulae. So here this sin theta formula, opposite sides upon hypotenuse, this is you study last year. तो always keep in mind sin theta के opposite means sin theta के exact ulta is nothing but the cos theta. It means what? Sin theta is suppose opposite upon hypo, तो hypo that is hypotenuse, तो उसके opposite कौन है? cos theta. So then cos theta formula is nothing but what? इसका उल्टा, तो it is nothing but what? hypotenuse upon opposite side. So here it is there, hypotenuse upon opposite side. So that is nothing but the formula for the cos theta. Now the next sorry student, here there is some writing mistake. So always keep in mind we are on the sin theta. So sin theta I told you, if once you know this all the three formulas, so remaining three ratios formula you can write down. So here sin theta formula is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. तो sin के opposite means sin का उल्टा हमेशा cosec theta होता है. So for example, if sin theta is opposite upon hypo, then cosec theta is nothing but hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now the next one is what? Third one, cos theta. Cos theta formula last year you study adjacent side upon hypotenuse. तो cos theta के opposite हमेशा sec theta होता है. So that's why it is suppose adjacent upon hypotenuse, then sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse upon opposite side, adjacent side. And the last one is nothing but tan. तो tan के opposite always cot theta is there. If the tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, then cot theta is nothing but adjacent upon opposite. So that's why I wrote like this. I make a two part and exactly sin theta के opposite कौन है? cosec theta. तो उसके सामने मैंने cosec theta लिखा है. cos theta के opposite कौन? sec theta. So that's why means ये लिखा है तो इसके हाँ तो आप लोगों को ध्यान में रहेगा. cos theta formula is what? adjacent upon हाइपोटेनस. तो cos के अपोजिट कौन है? सेक थीटा. तो सेक थीटा का क्या करना है? हमें इसका उल्टा करके लिखना है और इसका उल्टा करके लिखा तो वी आर गेटिंग द सेक थीटा. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज व्हाट? tan थीटा. tan के अपोजिट मीन्स tan के उल्टा हमेशा होता है cot थीटा. सो इफ इट इज अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट देन cot थीटा इज नथिंग बट द एडजेसेंट अपॉन अपोजिट मीन्स इसका उल्टा करके लिखा. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इफ यू लर्न दिस थ्री फॉर्मूला एंड इफ यू कीप इन योर माइंड साइन के अपोजिट कोसेक, cos के अपोजिट sec and tan के अपोजिट cot, so this six formula you can easily write down. And with this formula only, with the help of this formula means which concept? sin के opposite cosec. तो below downstairs six formula also you can keep in mind. So how you are going to keep those formula in mind? So here there is one formula, sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. It means what? यहाँ पे हमने in the starting I told in the starting sin के अपोजिट कौन है? कोसेक. तो इसलिए sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन कोसेक. तो यहाँ पे सेकेंड फॉर्मूला इससे ही आप किस तरह से कर सकते हैं? कोसेक इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन साइन, बिकॉज साइन के अपोजिट कौन है? कोसेक थीटा. क्लियर? या फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट डाउन. सी हम मोस्टली वी डू द एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जब LHS RHS हम शिफ्ट करते हैं. सो दैट टाइम वी नो दैट इफ डिविजन इज देयर इट बिकम द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल this formula I am going to explain how this two will come. So here suppose the sin theta formula, sin के opposite कौन है? sin के opposite है cosec theta. So cosec we write down 1 upon cosec theta. And if I want the cosec theta on this side, so when we do the cross multiplication, so this division goes on that side, so it become multiplication. So that time what we are going to get? So cosec theta इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइन यहाँ पे. तो साइन यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा. इट मीन्स व्हाट? कोसेक थीटा के अपोजिट. कोसेक थीटा के अपोजिट कौन है? साइन थीटा. सो देयर पर कोसेक थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू वी आर गोइंग टू sin theta. And if you multiply these two formulas, so you will get one more formula, that is nothing but cosec theta. If I keep as it is, sin theta I shifted on sin, cosec theta into sin theta is equal to this one is remaining as it is. So it means what? Cosec theta in sin theta, cosec theta into sin theta is equals to what? 1. सेम यहाँ पर भी कर सकते हैं. cosec theta if goes on that side, तो division become multiplication. So sin theta into cosec theta that is equals to 1, and these two are nothing but the same. Clear everyone? So same like this. So remaining we are going to see. So now the next formula is what? Cos theta. तो here मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, तो cos के अपोजिट उल्टा कौन है? sec theta. So if cos theta formula is that cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta, because cos के अपोजिट sec है, so 1 upon sec theta. ये formula done. तो next formula how we are going to do? The next formula is nothing but what? If you want sec theta is equal to, so that is nothing but what? Sec theta is equals to, this sec goes on that side and cos come on, so it is what? 1 upon cos theta. And through this concept you will get one more formula, that is it nothing but what? Sec theta into cos theta is equals to 1. Clear? And now the next one, tan theta. Tan के उल्टा कौन है? cot. So tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta. So here cot theta का फॉर्मूला हमें क्या मिलेगा? cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. Clear everyone? And if you say tan into cot, that is equals to, we are getting 1. So tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. I guess this formula tan theta into cot theta might be you study in the last year. So now, and one more formula is there, that is nothing but 7th and 8th. These formulas you have to keep in your mind. That is nothing but tan theta. If you do the division of sin theta and cos theta, so you will get all the ratios, all the values related to the tan theta. This means what? The division of sin theta upon cos theta is equals to nothing but tan theta. So here there is one new formula, that is nothing but tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. और हमें पता है tan के अपोजिट कौन है? cot theta. तो cot theta का फॉर्मूला क्या आने वाला है? cos theta upon sin theta. I hope everyone understood this total, these first 6 formulas and the next these 6 formulas. So this all the 6 to 8 formulas you can easily keep in your mind, because these two both the concepts are related to the each other. So here these all are nothing but what? relation between the trigonometric ratio. जो 6 ratio में trigonometric 6 ratio है, उनके एक दूसरे के साथ क्या relation, कि how they are connected. So these are really given in this formula. See, now just understood the formulas. When we are going to see the examples, so that time you will understood keep which formula when you have to use. Now more 3. Now this formula you have to just keep in your mind, this most important formula. It is called as the trigonometric identities. So here the first one are nothing but the basic formulas, important formulas which we need to make the trigonometric ratios table. That is the angle of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree angle. ये जो angles है उनकी values find out करने के लिए ये formulas हमें लगेंगे. फिर these are nothing but the relations between the trigonometric ratios. Means this ये जो 6 trigonometric ratio है उनके एक दूसरे के साथ क्या connection है, this all are given in this formula. And now these 3 are very important trigonometric ratio which we are going to use in the proofs. Means trigonometric ratio पर base जो भी proofs है वो सब proofs we are going to solve with the help of this 3 identities. Whatever the formulas are there with that. For example, suppose there is one right angle triangle and suppose this side 3 centimeter is given, it is 5 given. So ये trigonometric का ratio देखकर we can easily find out the third side. By using Pythagoras theorem also we can solve, but we can solve by using this trigonometric identities also. So these 3 identities are very important, so just keep in this mind because it is useful to prove the trigonometric proofs. So first identity is what? Sin square theta is equal plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. I know these identities are totally different than these previous 2 formulas, but that's why I told you these 3 identities you have to learn. Write down each identity 5 by 10 times so you can easily keep in your mind. Clear? So this all the formulas learn, and if once you know this all the formulas, so the now this table you can easily write down. You can make this table. Or if all of you remember, so this table you study till the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, ये तीनों जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो इन तीनों के 0 डिग्री 30 डिग्री 45 60 एंड 90 डिग्रीज एंगल्स के वैल्यू क्या है, एंगल थीटा वैल्यूज क्या है, दिस यू स्टडी इन द लास्ट ईयर इन दैट इज द 9th स्टैंडर्ड एंड आई टोल्ड you the one shortcut method how to, without learning this table, with the help of just some trick, how you are going to keep this table in your mind. And for that I told you, for that you need to keep these two right angles triangles in your mind. By using the my method you can just remember this table. Yeah, if you are smart, so you can learn all the values and the all the trigonometric, you can keep in your mind all the trigonometric ratio and the values of each angle theta. So here I draw the two right angle triangle. One is the 30 60 90 right angle triangle and one is the 45 45 90 degree angle. So always keep when you are going to draw these two angles, so that time 30 के सामने जो एंगल फर्स्ट एंगल में जो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द 30 60 90 एंगल, तो वहाँ पे 30 डिग्री एंगल के सामने जो साइड है उस साइड का मेजरमेंट आप लोगों को लिखना है 1. अगर यहाँ पे 1 की जगह 2 लिखा तो ये जो पूरा टेबल है वो पूरा टेबल रॉन्ग आएगा. सो दैट्स वाई इफ यू राइट ऑन द 30 डिग्री और द साइड अपोजिट टू 30 डिग्री इट शुड बी 1. Then the side adjacent to the 30 degrees, you have to compulsory write down √3 and the hypotenuse of 30 60 90 degrees value is nothing but the 2. And same 45 45 90 ट्राइंगल के लिए ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड, सपोज दिस इज 45 45 90, तो यहाँ पे जो बेस एंगल है दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, तो उसके एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर ऑल्सो congruent. So it means what, अगर ये side are similar, that congruent, that is nothing but similar. If this is the 1 then this one is also 1. So 45 45 डिग्री में आपको क्या करना है, the side opposite to 40 डिग्री it should be the 1. तो ये 40 डिग्री के अपोजिट साइड 1 है, तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज द 45 डिग्री एंगल, तो उसके भी अपोजिट साइड्स क्या होगी 1. और उसका जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होगा इट इज व्हाट √, इसका जो हाइपोटेनस होगा दैट वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट √2. सो लाइक these two angles you have to, with the proper correct value you have to keep in your mind. And now the next one, and below that you have to draw this basic table. See, first in the trigonometric ratio table the first two values is always the sin theta and the cos theta. So आप लोगों को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे इस तरह से आप लोगों को एक टेबल बनाना है. जस्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हियर. फर्स्ट इज साइन थीटा, यहाँ पे इसे 3 कॉलम्स बनाने, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द कॉस थीटा, यहाँ पे 0 एंगल एंड 90 डिग्री एंगल. तो ऑलवेज जब हम 1 2 3 लेते हैं तो हम 0 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जी मतलब ऑल नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 0, देन वी राइट डाउन 1. सो हियर दिस 0 एंड हियर इट इज 1. एंड लास्ट ईयर आई टोल्ड यू साइन थीटा के जो भी 0 से लेके 90 डिग्री तक जो भी एंगल है वो एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट कॉस थीटा में होता है. तो यहाँ पे 0 1 लिखा है, तो यहाँ पे लिखने वाला है 1 एंड 0. तो हियर यू विल गेट दिस टेबल. साइन थीटा 0 डिग्री एंगल इज 0, 90 डिग्री एंगल इज 1, कॉस थीटा उसके अपोजिट दैट इज नहीं, उसका उल्टा मतलब पीछे के साइड से हमें लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. सो इट इज व्हाट 1 एंड द 0. तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस, राइट डाउन द ईच एंगल्स वैल्यू. सो साइन थीटा फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट, इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट opposite sides of theta angle upon hypotenuse. So opposite angles upon hypotenuse. तो 0 डिग्री वैल्यू करने, तो 0 डिग्री क्या है यहाँ पे, इट इज 0 एंड 90 डिग्री इज व्हाट 1. और cos थीटा इसका उल्टा होता है, तो here you can write down 1 and here you can write down 0 also. But first I will explain you this remaining 3 values and then the cos theta ratios. सो नाउ cos 30 डिग्री एंगल के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, अपोजिट अपन एडजेसेंट. तो 30 इन दिस टू ट्राइंगल 30 डिग्री एंगल इज हियर. तो फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट, अपोजिट अपन हाइपोटेनस. सो अपोजिट इज व्हाट 1 अपॉन हाइपोटेनस इज व्हाट 2. So it means what, sin 30 degree value is what 1/2. Now we are going to see for the 45. Formula is same, opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite 45, तो 45 आप कोई भी ले सकते, this one or this one, because angle is same and ratio we are getting same. So 45 suppose we are going to take, so 1 upon hypo is what, √2. Now the next cos sin 60 degree. तो 60 degree is here. Formula opposite upon hypo, so opposite √3 upon hypotenuse is what 2. So here we get all the angles of sin theta from 0 to 90 degree. So in this table, see यहाँ पे in this two formula sin के opposite cosec के, but फॉर दिस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो टेबल यहाँ पे थोड़े से चेंजेस है. वाई एंड वो चेंजेस मैंने आपको समझना है इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. साइन के हमें अपोजिट हमेशा होता है कॉस. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कहना है वंस यू गेट द साइन थीटा ऑल द वैल्यू, तो ये जो 90 डिग्री है साइन 90 की जो वैल्यू होगी वो होगी कॉस्ट की 0 वैल्यू. मतलब यहाँ से उल्टा लिखना भी स्टार्ट करना है. तो हियर इट इज व्हाट, या बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड विच वन इज अ कॉस्ट थीटा फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट एडजेसेंट अपॉन hypotenuse. By using this one also you can write down. So now इसका exactly उल्टा I am going to do it. See it is what 1, तो यहाँ पे मैं उल्टा लिखने वाली. This is what √3/2, तो यहाँ पे √3/2. This is what 1/√2. Here 1/2 and here it is 0. So here we wrote all the cos theta angle value from 0 to 90, and if you want to verify you can verify. See here. Adjust cos 0 is what, here it is 1, तो 1 it is correct. Now 30 degree formula क्या है, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So 30 degrees here, adjacent is what √3, hypotenuse is what 2. Clear everyone? And the same for the 60 degree. Suppose 60 degrees here for adjacent. Adjacent means what, ये तो hypotenuse है, so we cannot take adjacent. वो side is what, this one. So 1 upon hypo is what 2. So 1/2. So like this also you can do. Yeah, that trick, that is nothing but sin के opposite cos होता है. Now the here tan theta value. Now the how to find out the tan 0 degree and the 90 degree, because it is not given here. For sin and cos are given, but for these two it is not mentioned here. So for that we are now going to use the trigonometric relations. So here trigonometric relations is what, tan रिलेशन इज व्हाट 1/cot थीटा. बट यहाँ पे cot थीटा हमने फाइंड आउट किया है नहीं, बट वी हैव द अनदर वन दैट इज नथिंग बट tan थीटा इज व्हाट sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा. तो sin थीटा इज व्हाट, sin थीटा 0 डिग्री एंगल इज व्हाट 0. दैट रफ कैलकुलेशन सपोज आई विल डू हियर. tan थीटा 0 डिग्री, tan थीटा फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट, tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू sin थीटा अपॉन cos theta. तो sin theta 0 degree angle is what 0 and cos angle is what 1. So whenever we write down 0/1, so that time you have to keep in mind it is always the, this division is always the 0, and when you write down the 1/0, so it will be the this symbol, that is nothing but it having the infinite, sorry it is, you can say undefined, yeah you can say not defined, you can call undefined, yeah, or you can say not defined. मीन्स इसका जो सॉल्यूशन है मीन्स 1/0, ये जो डिवीजन है वो हम डिफाइन ही नहीं कर सकते, तो यहाँ पे आप लोग लिख सकते हैं नॉट डिफाइंड. सो हियर वी आर गेटिंग द 0/1, so the it is what you can say not